Among the many benefits of coconut, its antioxidant properties stand out, as well as its ability to help regulate blood pressure and lower triglycerides in those who suffer from cholesterol. Besides being a delicious food, the coconut has numerous properties in its pulp, water and oil. Among its benefits, it stands out to beautify the skin, hydrate the body and prevent diseases. Know its virtues below. Hydration. Coconut water contains sugar, fiber, protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It can help rehydrate the body and restore it after the wear and tear of physical exercise, according to a study by researchers at Southeast University in New Albany. Blood pressure. Coconut is said to lower blood pressure, however, more studies are needed to affirm this theory, according to the Natural Standard site. Even so, specialists recommend using it as a prevention or complementary treatment to medication. Skin and hair. Coconut oil is known to help maintain healthy hair as well as hydrated skin. Many beauty products contain it. If you can't get them, take advantage of the benefits of natural coconut oil. Learn more. 15 fantastic functions of coconut oil. Bones and muscles. Being rich in potassium and other minerals, such as iron and calcium, coconut helps maintain strong bones and muscles. Also, potassium is an important substance for regulating the way muscles contract during sports. Take advantage and avoid injuries. Stretch marks. Coconut oil is widely used to keep the skin smooth, but also to combat some skin problems, such as psoriasis, eczema, and stretch marks. Remember that it should not replace your medication, if you take it. Reduce the cholesterol. 75% of coconut fats are saturated, the type that is associated with high cholesterol, but its richness in lauric acid causes that. Not only does it not raise bad cholesterol, LDL, but also reduces it and increases the good cholesterol, HDL, according to a study published in the Philippine Journal of Cardiology. Beyond the biochemical studies is the historical evidence. Coconut has been part of the staple diet of the peoples of the Pacific Ocean who hardly knew about high cholesterol, obesity, diabetes or heart or brain attacks until they modified their traditional diet. Rehydrating water. Coconut water is a natural isotonic drink obtained from green coconuts, harvested at 5 or 6 months. It is light and provides sugars and fats in moderate doses, as well as minerals and vitamins. An antimicrobial oil. Ripe coconut is made up of 35% coconut oil, the only one made up of more than 50% medium-chain fatty acids, easily digestible. They are assimilated without the help of bile, are soluble in water and penetrate without problems in the bloodstream and in the liver, where they are transformed into energy and, secondly, in fat reserves, thus contributing less to obesity than other fats. On the other hand, studies suggest that it has antimicrobial, antiviral and antifungal action, both internally and externally. It can be used as a body oil in fungal or bacterial infections. In tropical countries like Thailand it is used for cooking because it supports high temperatures well. From first pressure. Cold. The beneficial effects of the oil can only be attributed to that obtained by cold pressing freshly harvested coconuts, preferably organic, unrefined, bleached or deodorized, and packed in glass, ready to be used. Another thing is copra oil, which is extracted from the dried pulp by boiling it or mixing it with solvents. This is used to make soaps or it is hydrogenated to use it as a food ingredient in pastries, ice cream and ready meals. The coconut and gastronomy. To know if a coconut is in good condition, just shake it. If the water is heard when you move it, it is cool. When opening it, it is convenient to remove the water by making a hole with a sharp knife in one of its 3 eyes. The pulp is extracted by breaking the coconut with a hammer or wrapping it with a cloth and throwing it on the ground. To preserve its pulp you have to place it in a container with water and store it in the fridge. It lasts up to 3 days if the water is changed daily. When purchasing coconut water ready to drink, you must take certain precautions. Not all coconut waters that are marketed are equally pure. In fact, pure coconut water, to which health benefits can be attributed, is that freshly taken from the fruit or properly packaged, without additives. Too many products that are marketed as such, Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, is usually added as a preservative, and even sweeteners and other additives. Nor is it real coconut water that comes from concentrates. One use for each derivative oil, suitable for frying due to its stability. Its high price in Europe makes it advisable to use it in preparations that require little quantity. It is usually in a solid state until heated. Flour, in addition to being used in baking, it can be mixed with mueslis, yogurts or smoothies. Provides a delicate coconut aroma plus an extra dose of fiber, valuable fatty acids and protein. Butter, it is an excellent substitute for butter, especially when it accompanies sweet ingredients. It can also enrich smoothies and mueslis, or add flavor to many recipes. It should not be used for frying, because the fiber burns. Milk, perfect for making fruit smoothies and giving an exotic touch to sauces, pastries and soups.